Hi guys, welcome to Blushes and Bling. Please like, share and subscribe. Today I will be teaching you guys how you can make some really easy DIY eye pads. For this, you have to take a cotton pad which I have in my hand here. Then you'll have to make two dots onto both the ends of this iPad just to trace the design which you want onto this. So now I will cut this pad joining these two dots and I'll make a S shape through this. This S shape will fit your eyes perfectly, covering all the portions of your eyes which have dark circles or eye bags or maybe premature signs of aging under your eyes. So I'll be cutting these like this and this is how it looks. My first iPad is a milk and honey iPad. It's a very moisturizing iPad. It contains vitamin A and B6 which helps in the cell growth. It also has lactic acid, calcium which boosts the collagen production in our skin which provides our skin elasticity. Now to this I'm adding honey which is a really good source of natural moisturization for your under eyes. It's also a bleaching agent which reduces your dark circles to some extent. It soothes and relaxes your skin so much. So I'm adding these eye pads into this. One thing I would highly suggest you guys is that you do a patch test before using any product onto your skin. For this you have to take the inner part of your wrist and then apply the product onto there and notice if you have any irritation or redness. If nothing of this sort happens, that product is safe for you. So I'm just taking these out and it has absorbed all the goodness into it. And now I'm taking this plastic bag here. You can use a clear wrap or any other source in which you can store these. You have to keep this in the freezer and then they'll be ready to use whenever you want. But make sure that you don't use it over a long period of time. If you'll make these fresh and then use it, it will be more beneficial for you guys. The second iPad is a coconut oil coffee iPad. I'm using an extra virgin coconut oil for this one. The coconut oil helps the cell turnover which makes the skin barrier stronger, which reduces thinning which is caused due to aging. It also reduces puffiness and dehydration. Also I'm using coffee here which is a natural bleaching agent, and one of the main ingredients of coffee is caffeine which acts as a stimulant to get blood flowing. Also it has antioxidants which are good for your under eyes. So I'm soaking all of this again so that all the goodness comes into these iPads here. I'm separating this. You can also squeeze the excess out from it. Moving on to the third one, it's a Buttermilk plus Turmeric iPad here. My third iPad is a Buttermilk plus Turmeric iPad. The best part about this is that it provides instant brightness to your eyes. So if you're the girl on the go and you need to tackle your dark circles, this one is for you. But also one thing I want to caution you about, that the skin around the eyes are very sensitive and they are prone to allergic reactions. So you should make sure that you don't put turmeric very near to your eyes. So this is ready and I'm adding these cotton pads into it so that it absorbs all this into this. Placing it on the plate again and then I'll put it in the freezer. The best part about this iPad is that it helps brighten the skin and it reduces pigmentation which causes the dark color onto our eyes. The fourth iPad is a Aleo Plus Mint iPad. It's a super soothing iPad for you guys. It treats the sunburned skin, it heals and reduces swelling and also reduces the dryness onto the eye area. Aloe vera gel has numerous minerals and nutrients. It also has vitamin A, E, C, folic acid, B12 and a lot of ingredients as well. As far as the mint is concerned, the tingling sensation which the mint causes increases the blood flow on your eyes. It also has vitamin C which stimulates the collagen production onto the skin, which increases the elasticity and firmness. My last iPad for the day is a rose water plus vitamin E iPad, which is really good for aging. So I'm using rose water, some dried rose petals and also vitamin E oil in here. So the rose water helps in lightening the dark circles. It also soothes the eye irritation. Also, it has antioxidants, anti-aging properties as well. Also, about the vitamin E here, it also helps in reducing the signs of aging. It has a rich nutrient in it, and also it moisturizes your skin very well. So I'm drenching this into this, and then I'll be placing these here. These are my last iPads for the day. After I'll be done with all my iPads, I will keep these into the freezer. These will be ready to use anytime. So I'm done with all my iPads. I hope you guys like this video. Also guys, please make sure that you comment down below which iPad was your favorite and which one works best for you. So we are at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye.